What's up, fellow entrepreneurs? It's John Fagerholm again. Well, it would be an understatement to say that President Trump is very unpopular in LA right now. I've been hearing from some of my clients that their businesses have been negatively affected because they either service the undocumented population or they employ the undocumented population. I've also heard from some plaintiffs' counsel that their business is negatively affected because the undocumented population is hesitant to sue employers right now. Now, with that all out of the way, this video is not about ICE raids. This video is about the one big beautiful bill, as it's called. Irrespective of where you stand politically, the one big beautiful bill is an opportunity, if you're an entrepreneur, to start a business, and if you're already a business owner, to expand your business and hopefully employ more people. This bill seems to be very focused on helping businesses keep more of their income. Here are what I think are the top benefits that you need to know if you're an entrepreneur or a business. Number one, full expensing for equipment and property. You can now immediately expense 100% of new equipment or real estate or tech build out. And that expensing is retroactive to January 2025 and is good up to 2029. Number two, bigger deductions for pass-through businesses. LLCs, corps, and partnerships can now deduct up to 20% of qualified income. Number three, higher standard deductions and SALT relief. This is my favorite because the standard deduction is higher, and now you can deduct up to $40K on state and local taxes, SALT, up to $500K. Now, this is great news for Californians because we have some of the highest SALT taxes in the nation. Number four, R&D and innovation incentive. You can now fully expend R&D costs in the year that you spend. This is great for startups and for tech firms. Number five, your employees also get in on some of the action with overtime and tips. Your employees can now deduct overtime up to $12,500 and tips up to $25,000 until 2028. Now, I think this bill is going to be great for businesses, not just in California, but everywhere. But just in case you didn't catch all of my excessive verbiage, let me give you a real world example. So I've always thought I would like to start a brewery, but whenever I walk into a brewery, I see these big, large vats and everything else it takes to make beer. And I think to myself, who would be crazy enough to make this kind of investment just to sell beer? Under the old rules, I would have to expense that over several years. And being able to expense it up front like that gives me an opportunity to keep more of the money that I earn, especially in those beginning years when business is likely going to be slow. Now, there's things you should also watch out for. Number one is that some of these benefits are temporary, so you have to act now. And number two, and this may or may not be an issue, but conventional wisdom says the more deductions, the more the IRS will likely audit you. So be careful with that. Overall, though, this bill is packed with incentives for California entrepreneurs and business owners. And it's been a really long time for Angelenos, at least, to have any form of tax relief or be incentivized to open a business. So if you're an entrepreneur and you're not intending on leaving California soon, this might be the best opportunity you have in the next 5 years to either start a new business or expand your business. So take advantage of it. Till next time, be productive.